If you want to get the best toolbox according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have DEWALT Toolbox DWS 17820. This DEWALT DWS 17820 toolbox is designed to be wheeled instead of carried. It comes with 2 wheels in the back of the box and a handle that can be lengthened or shortened with the push of a button. Because of this toolbox's composite material, it's capable of withstanding drops, water, dirt, and more without suffering serious damage. This toolbox has 2 latches on top to keep the lid shut during movement. When you open the lid of this toolbox, there's a compartment resting on the top that can fit smaller hand tools and fasteners. This toolbox received full points for durability. It's made of composite, which is the most heavy-duty material you can expect for a toolbox. DEWALT doesn't specify an IP rating for this product, but we assumed it's I65 because DEWALT's other composite tool organizers, including the DEWALT DWS 8204 toolbox, have an I65 rating. When we dropped a brick on this toolbox, it only acquired minor scratches. Moving on to the next at number 2 with DEWALT Toolbox Tough System DWS 8204. Because of the large dimensions of this DEWALT DWS 8204 toolbox, you can fill it with your larger tools and carry it from place to place by gripping the handle on the top or the 2 handles on the sides. If this toolbox doesn't provide enough storage space, you can stack other DEWALT T-Stack storage units on top for additional storage. It was fairly easy to lift this toolbox in and out of a car because of its handle options. Similar to the DEWALT wheel toolbox, this one has 2 metal latches in the front that keep the lid closed and the tools inside even when the toolbox is dropped. This toolbox is as durable as they come. It has an I65 rating, is made of composite, and only received minor scratches from the brick test. The number 3 position is held by Acro Mills 9514 ProBox. This toolbox is small in size and made of plastic, making it a lightweight and easy to carry storage option. You can store hand tools in the bottom compartment and their fasteners in the removable storage compartment. Because of this toolbox's small size, it's best for the homeowner who only has a few tools that they need to carry from room to room when doing the occasional home maintenance task. The 1 metal latch in the front of this toolbox is enough to keep the tools secure inside, even when the box is dropped from a few feet off the ground. This toolbox has only 1 removable compartment at the top of the box. Next at number 4, we have Stalwart Rolling Toolbox. This toolbox from Stalwart can store a wide variety of tools. Its top box has compartments for small tools and fasteners, and its bottom box is an open space to store large tools. This toolbox also has 3 wheels for transportation, 1 in the front and 2 in the back. You can pull it up onto the 2 back wheels or use all 3 wheels to wheel it flat across the ground. This toolbox can be easily wheeled on different types of flooring, including tile, concrete, and carpet. This toolbox has the most storage compartments out of all of the products in this review, with 5 in the top box and 2 in the bottom. 3 of the compartments in the top box were further organized into smaller sections to allow storage for small supplies. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Gearwrench 20-inch 3-drawer steel toolbox, weighing less than 10 pounds. This Gearwrench toolbox has metal latches, a lock and key, and a top handle, allowing you to easily carry this product with all of your tools inside. Additionally, this toolbox has 3 ball bearing drawers on the bottom and a swing open top, allowing you to separate your tools into compartments. This toolbox has 2 latches and a lock and key for the top half, allowing you to decide if you just want to quickly latch the top or if you want to completely lock it. The drawers on the bottom also automatically lock if the top half is closed, making it possible to carry the toolbox without worrying about the drawers sliding open. This toolbox has a total of 4 storage compartments, with 3 drawers and an open top. While this toolbox may be made of thin steel, it only received a minor dent during our brick test. That's all for today.